Hello, dear colleagues. I think you will agree with me that teaching is impossible without discipline. In today's video, I will share with you a technique, a classroom management technique that will make your students improve their behavior during the lesson. This technique is called Secret Student. Before the lesson, tell your students that today they will get a special reward from you, like no homework or going home 5 minutes earlier. But they will get this reward, they will get this prize only if the secret student behaves well during all the lesson. But who is the secret student? It can be any student you choose, but don't tell anyone who the student is. Okay, class, today during the lesson I will watch one secret student. If he or she does all the tasks properly, listens carefully and makes no noise, at the end of the lesson you will all get a prize from me. What prize? Let me think. Okay, no homework for tomorrow. Deal? You will be surprised to see how many students will change their behavior trying to produce a good impression on you. Well, at the end of the lesson, say, "Okay, dear students, congratulations! The secret student did well. No homework for tomorrow." If you still don't like the way your students behaved during the lesson, then say, "Oh, sorry, but unfortunately the secret student failed today. No reward. But you can try tomorrow. I will choose another secret student." Never mention the name of the secret student, no matter what result you got. It should always be kept in secret. Because actually what you did was just a cheating trick. You didn't watch one student, you watched all your students, but pretended to be watching only the secret one to make them behave better. Every student thought that they might be the secret one and tried to do their best to produce a good impression on you. If you want to improve your classroom management skills, check out the link in the description box to download my ebook Teach Without Stress. In this book, you can find a lot of teaching tips on classroom management, motivation and engagement, dealing with misbehavior, lesson planning, and other aspects of teaching.